Hi, my name is Jerry, and welcome to pH Water on the Go, South Hill, where I got chubby chubbies to come and clean my beautiful tile. Yeah, making a difference. This gentleman here is making a difference. Look at that, guys.
Did you know we clean offices, churches, hospitals? I messed up.
Look at that, guys. And let me tell you, they did a wonderful job. What we got Chubby doing. So I suggest you call Chubby to get your tile, your carpets cleaned, and they will take care of it. And once you call Chubby, we got some water from you. We got purified pH water that is clean, crisp, and good for your health. Come to pH Water on the Go South Hill, where I, Jerry, will take care of you, and we will take care of you like family here. Come on in and let me show you my shop. You will bring your water jugs, and we will take care of it. We like to refill our customers' waters here through our reverse osmosis system, where our customer will bring their water jugs empty, and we will wash them and rinse them out for them, like so, get any kind of debris out of the water. Then we will refill their water jugs with alkaline water at $1 a gallon or purified water. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this beautiful place, this beautiful shop, and our beautiful floor was done by Chubby Chubbies. So, if you need your floor tile clean, if you need your carpets clean, call Chubby. If you want clean, crisp water that is clean for your family, you come to pH Water on the Go South Hill, and Jerry, as for Jerry, we will take care of you.
Did you know we clean offices, churches, hospitals? Give us a free call for our estimate today. No, that didn't sound right.
Here's a before.
Maybe you don't need new carpet, just a new carpet cleaner.